The application for the movement raising the chi. This can be used in a number of ways, as a punch or to defend against a push. It's good to know that you have the power and the strength to do the movement, so you can get your partner to test that you actually have some strength there. Again, if you have your weight too much on the heels to push, you won't be able to sustain the movement. So again, not too much on the toes, because if they move the hands away, you're going to fall forward because all your weight's leaning forward. So it's very important that we have the golden thread, the feet are nice and balanced, that your center moves back as your hands go forward for the balance. So as the center goes back and the hands move forward, we get the partner to resist us, and we do the movement. Yeah? And you should be able to breathe very easily as you're doing the movement. Yeah? And again. It's a nice and easy movement. Yeah? As an application, say for a push to the chest, we can open and punch. So here, punching straight forward, slowly. So this is the same kind of movement to deflect the push and strike to the head. Or, again, we could open and then on the way down, hit the hand. So you can punch and then on the way down, hit. Or as a push comes, open and pull the person down and then punch again. Same part of the movement. Yeah? So again, down, punch. Yeah? Same part of the movement, raising the chi. Or if someone says punching low, we can use that part of the movement, up and down, to block low. The footwork is a little bit different. You do sit back if you're going to come down like this, so it's a little bit like rollback, but same sort of movement. So one more. Try it as a push this time. Yeah. So maybe you push me. So up, push. There you go. Thank you, Rich. And that's a few applications for this movement, raise the chi.